we Haitian, we Caribbean, we take our time to clean the fish. Some people just take the fish out of the bag and just cook it like that. Without putting lemon or vinegar or lime. See all that black stuff? They gotta be removed. Oh man, my fish is falling apart. So you see right here, I'm gonna cut it again to make sure there's no extra stuff. Put my knife like this. Move it up a little bit. You see? And I'm gonna pull them. Yeah. Thank God it's already dead. See? That was the fastest way to remove the black stuff. So. Hello, Fun Fusion. Welcome to my live. Guys, don't be afraid to like the live. Come on. Like the live. Thank you. So we're going to put this aside for now. I'm going to do the others. Got 2 more to do. Remember, we're going to cut it open. Not all the way. It's just fine. We're going to put a knife like this. Like this. And we're just going to pull. Ooh. Be careful not to get them over you. You can what? I can't see. I can't see the comb in my hand fish right now. This one, since there's no head, what? Since there's no head, you don't need to do the extra stuff. Baby, stop hitting the TV. I don't know, stop it. I see you. Stop. Okay, going to do this. No black stuff. I'm gonna read the comment later once I wash my hand. Yeah, she keep hitting the TV. I could hear it. You hear it too in the background? Ugh, you see all that nasty black stuff? Ew. Imagine making it. You see, look at that. Imagine eating other people's fish. Don't take the time to take this. What is this? What is this? Ew, you guys see it? You see it? Ew! Wait, the other fish in head, is that a heart? You guys seeing this? Ew, that looks nasty. Remove. Oh, that's the eggs. This fish was pregnant. I think it was pregnant. That's the eggs, because the others didn't have it. Right here, yeah, that's the eggs. Oh, my bad, fish. Yeah, the others didn't have it. Look. What if it's not the eggs? It's the fish even have placenta. The thing for babies to stay inside. Yeah, that one's pregnant. It was right there. Oh my God, that is so awesome. Oh yeah, it was pregnant. See? Oh, blood. That is so cool at the same time playing it. Get to see that side of the fish body. So this is gun 31. I'm just gonna rinse my hand for now. I want to make a short video on my live recap. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to disinfect the phone later on. Oh, it stinks. Okay, bye. Thank you for stopping by. One of you guys did not like the live. I got